In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Formula Custom Fields. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool, and understanding how to leverage its formula custom fields can truly enhance your workflow. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure that you're logged into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the specific space where you'd like to set up these custom fields. Spaces in ClickUp act as the primary organizational structure that helps keep various projects and teams in line. So make sure you're in the correct one. After you've chosen the space, direct your attention to the View option. ClickUp offers multiple ways to visualize your projects, so selecting the right view is crucial. For our purposes today, you'll want to select the table view. This layout allows you to see all your tasks in a spreadsheet-like format, which is perfect for using formula fields. Now that you're in the table view, look for the plus sign. It's typically located at the top of the columns where you can add new fields. Clicking this enables you to add different types of custom fields to your table. Once the drop-down menu appears, scroll through the options until you find Formula. This is what we'll be working with. With the Formula dialog open, you'll need to name your field or formula. Giving it a clear, descriptive name is important because it helps to immediately understand its purpose, especially as more fields are added. Once you've named it, hit the Create button to add it to your table. Next, it's time to define what the formula will do. Click on the formula sign next to your newly created field name. This opens up the formula editor, a space for you to input the specific calculations or logic you want this field to perform. It's here where you'll really see the power of ClickUp formulas. In the formula editor, start by selecting the fields you want to include in your calculation. ClickUp supports a variety of field types, so you can pull in data from text, numbers, dates, and more. Once your fields are selected, construct your formula by using standard mathematical symbols and functions. Finally, to see your formula in action, click on the Calculate button. This will apply your formula to the table and display the results in your new field. It's a great way to automatically crunch numbers or process data right within ClickUp. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to using formula custom fields in ClickUp. With these skills, you're well on your way to optimizing how you manage projects and information, making your planning and tracking processes even more efficient. Remember, the key to mastering ClickUp is practice, so don't be afraid to experiment and explore the app's various features. Thanks for watching, and happy productivity!